So he bought this thing for $1,000. This is a 1995 with 90,000 miles.
$1,000 he killed 1,000 headaches.
It, you know, if you think a maxi scooter is a pain to work on, a Goldwing probably has got way more plastic. Oh yeah, look at this. It's so intricate. The gas tank is same as my GL1500. You put it there and then the gas tank goes underneath.
Everything is like new.
So new rear tire.
New rear tire, painted the rear wheel, painted the rear diff, flushed the brakes, cleaned the rotors, especially the rear because it was almost seized up in there.
Reverse, how does the reverse work?
The reverse, you have to have the bike on and basically it's in neutral and you just gotta press the start button and it engages the starter backwards. No choke.
No choke. And it's getting a little chilly too. But look at that. Really nice lights in the rear.
Oh yeah, I got lights here.
You got lights there.
Light as well. Hold on, let me press the brakes.
Yeah, all lights are working. Hit the signals.
I'm going to put the hazard lights on.
Nice. Look at that. So he's going to demonstrate the reverse.
Okay, so you put it in reverse, the R is going to pop up in here, and what you got to do now is the starter.
Oh, wow, okay. So he's put like USB 12 volt already in here. You know, these cases, as goofy as they are extremely...
No, they're unlocked.
They're very usable. Look at that.
The handles on the side, right? This is the center, and this one is
the new ones are all electronic.
Are they? I don't know.
You know, I rode the new Goldwing, 2 of them. They're amazing.
See this hose right here?
Yeah.
You just need an extension, and you can inflate your tires on the go.
And it works.
It works. It also has the air ride on the back. You can use the compressor. You can press the outlet, and you can just use the compressor as the compressor for inflating the tire.
That is awesome. I had no idea these were so valuable. Because you bought it for $1,000. Like, I see these now all the time for like $3, $4.
I posted it on Marketplace for $35. So I painted this body pit, I mean the belly pan. I painted this side. I painted this. Everything is painted. The only thing I have to paint is when I'm changing the tire is this, the rim.
All right, gonna get on the, oh my God, Goldwing. It's actually not bad. I'm following him. He's riding my T-Max. No, you can just put him down. Oh yeah, smooth. This thing is like, you know, it's surprisingly easy. Oh yeah, super smooth. Oh, this is so comfortable, and it's got quite a bit of power. I want to shift it into second. Oh my God, this thing. Smooth. There's like a little bit of a shake to the front, but you know, he's going to be changing that front tire. Does it? Yeah. Auto canceling turn signals. That's incredible. This one is leaking gas as well. Oh wow. It is smooth. The transmission is super smooth. But I smell that gas. Oh yeah, it is so comfortable. My back is on that lumbar support. I can get on this thing and you barely feel the wind on the hands. There's a little bit of a like front tire thing happening. All right, I'm gonna hit. Look at those beautiful turn signals. This is awesome. This is really nice. I mean, it is kind of smelling like gas, but oh, and it just died. It just died on me. I'm not sure why. Let me. Oh yeah, the turn signals, auto canceling. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The front end is like moving around. Oh my god. The front end is moving around, shaking. It's definitely the front tire. He's going to be changing it this week. Definitely don't want to take any corners. But this thing should be... Oh, I could get on this thing and just ride it to like Florida right now. It's pretty smooth. Even like this thing, it's got quite a bit of power. Quite a bit of power. Here we go. I want to try some of this self-canceling. Self-canceling turn signal. This thing has got like a kick. And my GL1500, it's a 4-cylinder. This is a 6-cylinder. It's surprisingly easy, man. Yeah, it's just the front tire. The front tire like squirms. So this is Motorousa GL1500. Make sure you hit like, subscribe. Make sure you go to his channel and subscribe. We're trying to get him to 10,000 subs by the end of the month. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.